So this is Klymax ERP login page. So when you log in into the system, as I'm doing right now, you log in. Klymax ERP supports multiple locations and multiple branches, which means you can track your stock across multiple branches wherever you are in the world. You are able to check everything that is happening in all your branches. So over here you can choose to select the branch you want to work in, and we also have restrictions that can restrict people to a specific branch. So when you are in branch A, you can see the items in branch B, and vice versa. And you also have managers who are able to see and control all other branches. So that is that. And then you are able to manage your stock very well. You are able to sell from here. You can sell from here. You can sell from here. It's loading. You are able to sell from here, or you can sell. We have multiple screens that you can use. This is another screen, so you can sell your items from here. So all the items will be listed. The ones that are out of stock, you can clearly see they are green and red. The red is out of stock, the green is you have quantities in stock. So you are able to do all that from here. You are able to make transfers from one branch to another. So you can do stock transfer. So you can transfer from the warehouse to the branches and vice versa. If the shop is too stocked and you want to send some of the items back to the warehouse, you can effect the transfer as well. So you do that from here. So you are transferring from a particular shop to another shop. So you have all your branches there as well. You are able to control your purchases. We have a feature that allows you to manage your purchases. That when you have new stock coming into the system, you are able to do all that. We have warehouse stock management, so you are able to manage your warehouse as well. You'll be able to control the stock that is in each warehouse. If you have multiple warehouses, it allows you to manage that. You are able to do that. You're able to do branch transfer, so you transfer stock from one branch to the other and vice versa. So all that is available in the system. We have stock taking, where you are able to take stock using the system. We have stock management, where you are able to manage your stock. We even have an e-commerce built on top of this app, which is Klymax eShop. You are able to set up a whole e-commerce site with the items in your shop, and when the items in your shop gets finished, it reflects on your e-commerce site, where people can purchase, people can place orders, pay on delivery, or pay and then the orders will be delivered to them. We have a payroll that we add to every of our softwares. So Klymax ERP comes with a payroll, a fully functioning payroll that you can use to process your employees' payroll, from creating your income tax reports, SNIT contribution, and all that is catered for in our app. You can do stock adjustment as well. You can sell, you can do refunds, you can sell on credit and do payments as well. When you watch here, you see that we have payments, those who are owing. So we have two types: what you are owing your suppliers and what you are owing your suppliers and what your customers are owing you. You are able to track all from here. Then we have some kind of expenditure management inside that you can use to manage your expenses. We have some accounting, a small accounting that you could get some accounting reports as well. And then when you come to report, we have so much reports for you, so much reports telling you about your stock. We have sales report, payment, stock information, customer or supplier. You can print your own barcodes and attach to your product. You can control your shelves, where items can be found on shelves. All that is there, and more. Many more features that we have for you. We even have a dashboard that can give you at a glance what is happening in all your branches. You see monthly sales, today's sales, refunds, monthly average order, payment received, outstanding balances, and all that stock value. We have graphs telling you your top products. We have hourly pattern of purchase. You can see all that. We have sales type distribution. We have customers and how much they owe. We have outstanding balance graph. So at every point in time, you are in charge of what is happening in your shop, and more that you discover when you sign up with us. Thank you.